Okay, so the question I'm asking is, are lawyers immune from the 2017 flat tax? We'll go look at that in just a minute. Now, this says lawyers can typically deduct ordinary expenses and necessary business expenses that are related to running their practice, such as expenses might include office rent, continuing legal education, business-related travel, marketing, legal research, tools, salaries, and operating expenses. Now, this sounds very, very, very similar to what I was doing on YouTube and to even what my grandma did when she had her small business. Grandpa was self-employed. They had a small business. They probably filed quarterly, I would imagine, unless it was done differently back then. I'm not sure. But let's go look at the flat tax. Now, this says the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act, TCJA, was the largest tax code overhaul in 3 decades. The law created a single flat corporate tax of 21%. Many benefits that helped individuals and families will expire in 2025. I can't say that it actually helped me. The only thing that I saw that happened was it created a monopoly. I didn't mind paying taxes, but I never made over that 400K. But with inflation, when prices just keep going higher, we pay more taxes. That makes sense to me. Is there a lawyer, an activism lawyer out there that this makes sense to? I don't know where to find them. Maybe they're watching on the internet. I don't know where they're at. But I felt like it created a monopoly during COVID. Then everybody was watching cable TV. So it was like one last ditch effort of a hurrah to say they're in debt. Look at Shark Tank. Everything on Shark Tank is related to them loaning money to someone that they've raised through Wall Street. And now I went to Google Scholar. I have some previous videos related to Google Scholar about inflation and carrying, when prices get higher. It says in Google Scholar, from people who are in other countries, people who are in the United States, it says that people get laid off. There's less jobs available as inflation takes place, as prices get higher. So trickle-down economics does not work. This is not working. It's not. We're not on a sustainable path for economic equality for everyone on this current path that we are on with this current administration.